and welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'm doing really good today. I'm like on an unboxing spree today. My boxes were piling up and I've been super busy with work, but today I have decided to sit down and film for you guys. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. It would mean the absolute world to me. And please don't forget to hit that little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. What am I doing with my arms? Anyways, in this video, I'm going to be unboxing 2 subscriptions. Today I'm going to be doing my EARFLEEK and my SEPHORA Play box for you. So last month for EARFLEEK, I didn't receive my earrings. They were nowhere to be found. So I emailed the company and they said, oh, okay, it takes, I forgot how many days to get there. If you don't get it by September 5th, then email us. So September 5th came around and I still had no earrings. So I emailed them. It took a couple of days for them to email me back. And they said, we have resent your subscription for the month of August and plus you'll be getting your September one. So far I've gotten 1 package from EARFLEEK. I don't know if this is September or August. But here is my little EARFLEEK, and it's like, someone got hungry and took a bite out of it here. And then the back of it's all messed up and I don't know. So let's just see what earrings we got this month. Trusty little scissors here. Alright. So we pull it out and here they are. And inside it just says, hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. And it has the lady with the purple hair. And then our earrings come in this little baggie. If I can get them out, there we go. And they are little cupcakes. Those are really cute. I think I picked the fun profile because there's different profiles you can pick. I paid for the whole year. I can't remember how much it is if you go monthly. I think it's like $3 and some odd cents, but I will leave all of the information down below. But here are the earrings that I got for either this month or last month. They're little cupcakes. I think they are super cute, so I would definitely be wearing these guys. So that was my EARFLEEK for, I don't know if it's, like I said, this month or last month, so I should have another one coming hopefully soon. So let's get on to the next unboxing for this video. And we have my SEPHORA Play box. I can't remember how much SEPHORA Play is, so I will leave everything down in the description as usual. So let's get in here and see what we got. I always have trouble opening this box, so I like just demolish the whole box. I don't think that was right. But anyway, here is the card for the month, and we have 50 beauty insider points, and it says, want to try these innovations, IRL. Alrighty. And we open up the thing and it says Next Gen Beauty and it has all of our items on the back of it. And then on this side it just has some tips and tricks and upgrades, ways to protect your hair, just some information that I will read later. So we get into the box and, well, that's different. And my box is open. Nothing fell out though. Here's the bag, which is super weird. Usually we get one of those like drawstring cloth bags. So this is different this month and it is open. I don't know if it closes. Does it close? Oh, it does close. So here is the little bag. It just says Play and it has some like clocks and makeup items and pencils, some chemistry stuff, this little circle guy here. So that is a different bag for them. So we'll get in here and see what we got. So the first thing I'm pulling out is, oh boy, I don't know how to pronounce this. I don't know how to pronounce it. This is Ole Henriksen. Henriksen. It is an effective serum formulated with vitamin C that brightens and hydrates skin. Apply a dime-sized amount to clean, dry skin, letting it absorb before following with moisturizer. So, and this is a really good size for Sephora. So here is the packaging for this. and I probably totally said the name of it wrong, but we will open it up as I just ripped the box. Oh, the bottle's so cute. It is like that frosted glass, and it says Truth Serum, collagen boosted with True C Complex. And here is the little bottle for it. And I'm just going to squirt some into my hand, or onto my hand. And here is the little serum running down my hand. Ooh, it feels really good. Oh, it smells like oranges. It smells like those orange popsicles that you could get with like the ice cream in the middle. That smells real good. So I will definitely be trying this on my face. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out is this little squeezy tube. This is by Too Faced. Radical Reviver. Reviver? A replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. Before putting on makeup, warm a dime-size amount in your hands and then apply anywhere you would put foundation. And I always love their packaging. I think it is super cute. If my camera will focus. Okay, but I always love their packaging. It is a light pink, and it just says with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredient, and skin revivers, silicone-free. So I'll just put the, ooh, and that squeezy tube is really full. Sephora's getting better. So here it is just a white primer. It does seem very, very moisturizing, so I don't know if I'll use it on my T-zone because I'm really oily in that area. But it is just a primer. It doesn't really smell because all I smell is that serum, which smells like oranges. The next thing I'm pulling out is this bottle. It's by Clinique, and this is Glow with the Flow, a weightless, oil-free water jelly that cares for skin's moisture barrier and protects it from pollutants. Apply a dime-size amount evenly over a clean, dry face for improved hydration. So this is for dry skin, and it is just a clear serum, or clear jelly. So there's that. If it smells, I'll put it on this side. Ooh, and that is really full too. It doesn't have a smell to it. It is just a clear jelly. It's very like cooling. It feels cooling. And it doesn't have a scent to it. It feels very nice on the skin. So I will definitely, I lost it. Definitely be using this, and that's a really good size for Sephora as well. The next thing I'm pulling out is in this box, and it is Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume Mascara. And where's that? Full volume mascara with a buildable formula that coats lashes in intense black color. Create fullness at the base of your lashes by wiggling the curved brush into the roots and then pull through to coat the tips. Repeat to create more volume. So here is the mascara. So we'll get this guy out of here. Oh, that packaging's so cute. It is like black and like a purple pink top. I really like that packaging. And then it just has a standard mascara one, and it is black. So I'll add this to my 50 other mascaras that I have. The next thing we have is by Belief, and this is a moisturizer. I had this, I forget what box I got this in. I don't remember, but it came in this little tub of it, and it is a moisturizer. It is Belief. It says, Believe in Truth, a true cream moisturizing balm. And this stuff, I used the entire like little tube of it. I loved it. I absolutely love this moisturizer. But we just have a little foil packet of it. But I really do enjoy this, so I'll definitely be using it. And is this the last thing? Yes. The last thing in our little bag is Marc Jacobs Highliner. And this says a gel eye crown in dark brown shade with rich pigment and a matte finish. So this is a eyeliner by Marc Jacobs, which is a pretty pricey brand. And it just comes in this little black bag. And we get it out. And here is the eyeliner. It just says Marc Jacobs on it. or yeah, Marc Jacobs. And it is this little crayon. Let's see how much. That is a really good sample size. There's a lot of eyeliner in there. I don't want to put it up too far because I'm afraid I'll never get it back down or I'll break it off. So let me twist it back down. All right, and we will get a swatch of it. Ooh, it's really creamy. And it is a dark brown color. It kind of looks black on camera, but it is a dark brown color, and I will definitely use this. I usually don't use liquid eyeliner, so I really do enjoy this. That is all. Sorry, my door is like moving, and my dogs are outside like laying against it. But that is all that we got in our Sephora Play. And actually, Sephora Play was amazing this month. We didn't get any really little half full squeezy tubes. Everything was really full. Like this is full all the way to the top. We even got a Sephora item, a Too Faced, Clinique, that Ola Henriksen. So I really enjoyed this month. I thought this box was amazing this month. I think Sephora is upping their game. So that is all that we got in our Sephora box. If you guys get Sephora, I would love to know all of your thoughts and opinions down below. And please don't forget to like and subscribe also. So with that being said, that's all that I have for this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!